Brahman as the thread through all beings. Based on Brihadaranyaka Upanishad and Mundaka Upanishad. What holds the stars in their courses? What connects the ant to the sky? What binds all beings, seen and unseen, in a single rhythm? In the sacred whisper of the Upanishads, there is an answer. It is Brahman not as a god, not as an object, but as the unseen thread, the sutra that runs through all. To King Janaka, sage Yajnavalkya speaks. He who dwells in the earth but is not the earth. Who controls the earth from within, he is yourself, the inner controller, Antaryamin, immortal Brahman. This teaching is repeated for water, fire, air, sky, sun, moon, stars, space, even the very breath and mind, he who is unseen but sees. Unheard but hears. Unknown but knows. This one, not limited by body or name, moves in all beings like a thread through pearls. In another Upanishad, the sages declare, just as a spider sends forth and draws in its web, just as herds grow from the earth, just as hair grows from the body, so does the universe emerge from the imperishable Brahman. And again, as beads strung on a thread, so are all beings strung on Brahman, earth, sky, gods, men, beasts, plants, all. The thread is never seen, but without it, there is no necklace. Brahman is not an entity. It is not a concept. It is pure awareness, the foundationless foundation. It is not in the universe is in it. It is not bound by form, but all forms move by it. An onion, Matomahya, smaller than the smallest, greater than the greatest, the Upanishads describe it in paradox. Why does the heart beat? Why does breath move without command? Why does the mind sometimes still itself in silence? It is Brahman that shines even though we do not see it. Tasya bhasha sarvam idam vibhati, by its light, all things shine. Even the gods and Vedas arise from it. Even your sense of self is only a reflection of that. When one sees this thread, not with eyes, but with inner knowing, the world changes. No longer many, but one. No longer separateness, but unity. This is Brahmavidya, the knowledge of the real. He who sees all beings in the self and the self in all beings never turns away from it. Isha Upanishad. The Upanishads do not command you to believe. They ask only, inquire, reflect, meditate. No. The thread is not to be worshipped, it is to be realized. When seen, fear departs, for the thread that binds also frees. Such is Brahman, unborn, undying, unchanging, yet holding all change within itself like pearls on a string.